Zombie apocalypse.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about electricity and electronics. Actually, electronics and electricity are nearly allied. But before understand electronics, you need to understand electricity. Basically, electricity is the flow of electrons due to a difference in electrical charge between positive and negative. And this flow creates an energy known as electricity. Okay, see. Here I am using a battery. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal of this battery. If you complete the circuit between positive and negative with conductor or load like bulb or anything, then electrons are starting flow through the conductor or load from negative to positive. So it's a note. Electron flows negative to positive. Okay. Here is another short note. If you cut off the conductor wire like this, then electrons cannot flow because electrons cannot jump over one point to another point without any conductor. So, no electron flow, no electricity. Now, I am explaining very common term in electricity, which is voltage. Volt is the SI unit of electromotive force. This means voltage is the pressure from this battery to push electrons through this conducting loop. So we can say that voltage is pressure, nothing else. Okay, now another common term of electricity, which is current. Ampere is the SI unit of measuring current. You can call it amp if you like. Whatever. Actually, ampere expresses the quantity of electrons. Here crazy thing is 1 ampere is equal to 6.3 into 10 to the power 18 electron flow per second. That's huge. Whatever. That's all the basic knowledge of electricity. Okay, now I'm trying to explain about electronics. Basically, electronics is controlling electron flow by some kind of electronic components. Scientifically definition is electronics is a science that deals with the giving of action and effects of electrons in vacuum tubes, gases and semiconductors. In modern age, vacuum tubes are very rare. So we can say that easily semiconductor is the king of the electronics kingdom. That's crazy, nah? Okay. There are many kinds of semiconductor like resistor, diode, capacitor, transistor, triac, etc. Whatever. I'll make part by part video to introduce the semiconductors. So see you on next video. Have a nice day.